all over. Let me just take care of a few little hairs here. What do you guys watch when you do your makeup? Do you turn on music? Do you turn on YouTube? Just a show? I think I'm pretty much a variety, but probably my favorite thing to turn on is YouTube, just because I really like to turn on tutorials from your makeup and stuff and get kind of inspiration, I guess. I mean, I don't actually follow through with the looks because I'm not that brave. Today though, we are going to be brave and we are going to try some looks. Don't mind my nails either. I was just testing out some colors last night. This hand's completely bare. This hand has like, I don't really know what I would categorize that as. Probably just a shimmer, like a nude shimmer. It's really pretty. I'll get you guys the name of it here. But actually the color I think I'm going to wear this week is this one. I just couldn't find my nail polish remover last night to be able to take this stuff off. So only this nail got done. And it was really late anyway. So I feel like I tackled part of the task by just picking the color. And so tonight I can just go forward since I know the color and just paint it, because that's always half the battle, is figuring out what color you want to use. All right, let me finish my eyebrows here and then we will jump in with putting our face makeup on here. Do you guys get your eyebrows done or do you tweeze them yourself? Normally I tweeze them myself just because I don't really see the point in paying somebody $10 to do something that I can just do myself. But I do see the benefits in getting it done because it's on point every time. That's just me though. All right, let me go and wet my beauty sponge and then we'll get started finally. Okay. So I'm gonna start with just my primer. I'm gonna put my face on first and then I'm gonna switch over to eyeshadow. So that's gonna be the kind of part that I'm really gonna like go in depth with you about, because I just want you guys to learn along with me because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna look up an eye look here on my tablet and see if I can just recreate it. And I thought, you know, why not record it and have you guys learn along with me? Or most of you probably already know, but I'm new to the party. I know. I got my Ipsy this month and I got my Boxycharm this month. I didn't do a video over them. My Ipsy, I was going to do a video, but the day that I got it, we went out of town for that wedding. And then I ended up using something inside the Ipsy at the wedding, so. And then also my highlighter that I got in my Ipsy broke, the pure highlighter. Oh, I was so upset, but it dropped on the hotel room floor and smashed. And then also I used the lotion. We got like milk lotion or something here. I think I have it in here actually. This lotion, I pretty much Milkmaid Cake Natural Beauty. I used it at the wedding on my arms and legs because I forgot to pack lotion, so that's why I didn't show my Ipsy this month. I guess I can just show you guys the other two things that I got in there. This is an intense hydrating mask, Trisola. You have to be kidding me. I forgot my hair mask when we went to the wedding and I assumed that this was a face mask because it just says intense hydrating mask, not for your hair. So I assumed intense hydrating mask was for your face. Oh well, now we have that at least. And then of course I say of course just because I've seen a lot of Ipsy videos and I know a lot of people got this mascara as well, which is the Man-Eater mascara. I have not used it yet, so I don't really have an opinion about that. And the other thing I got was then this nail polish that is downstairs, so I'm not gonna go dig out the box for it, but you guys can see the color of it. And then the other thing is just, like I said, that pure highlighter that was absolutely gorgeous. That's what I got in my Ipsy this month. Let me show you guys just real quick while I'm at it what I got in my Boxycharm as well. So in my Boxycharm I got the Coverfx, the Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick, the Appeal Rose Gold Eyeshadow, Wander Beauty Lift Off Peeling Mask, and the last but certainly not least, because you always need new brushes, I got the two brushes, the highlighting brush and then just the regular powder brush. Alright, well, I wasn't expecting to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy and my Boxycharm, but why not just throw that into this video? I didn't get my Boxycharm until last week, I believe. Last Friday, maybe? And I ordered it on March 6th. So, I tweeted also. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, go ahead and pop over there And I tweeted that I was hoping that I was going to get it, and they actually responded to me and told me that they hope that I love it. I am brand new to Twitter still. I just started it a couple days ago, but join me, follow me, communicate with me. I'd love to chit chat with some of you guys. I want to get to know who's watching me. Alright, so I put a little Becca primer and then the NYX Born to Glow. And I'm just going to dab this foundation, which is Dewy+Smooth, FITme, in color Ivory, 115 Ivory. There is lots of people out working on their lawn today. They're picking up leaves and kind of laying down grass seeds. So if you guys hear that in the background, I apologize. My neighbor's psycho though. Let me show you guys a Snapchat from earlier.
So my neighbor's being petty as hell with his leaves. He has in our front yard, there's like a little strip of grass that's his, and that's literally all the leaves that he's taking off the lawn. It's just his little strip. Which, rightfully so, but seriously. See that little strip right there? Yeah.
So did you see the line where there was no leaves? Last week I raked most of the leaves on my lawn, and I didn't rake right there because it was so thick with leaves that all the leaves underneath it were all wet. So it was too heavy for me to try and rake them. So I was like, I'm gonna let them dry out a little bit more, and then I'll go ahead and just finish up over here, which is what I did last year. I just went ahead and did his side. But you can see in the Snapchat how freaking petty my neighbor is when it comes to this stuff. He just did a line, just his line of leaves, which I thought was pretty funny. But to each their own. I mean, why should he pick up my leaves, right? But, bro, come on now. Alright, let's try some of this Kokie Be Bright concealer right underneath my eyes here. Pop it in right there. I'm not really going anywhere or doing anything today. Story of my life. Except going and picking up the kids. But I suppose we can look nice doing it, right? I like how much this brightens my under eye. Since Nikita came out with that color correcting concealer, I stood at Dollar Tree probably for a good 5 minutes the other day debating whether I should pick up the LA Girl color corrector if I need that in my life. And I decided that I didn't quite at this time. I think my biggest thing is I just don't really understand how to use it. Like when I've seen Manny MUA using it and Patrick Starr, they pretty much put it in spots that I wouldn't normally put. I guess, I don't know. I just don't understand it really. So I would probably just have to figure out how to use it a little bit better, and then I'd be down, I'm sure. Because I love the way it does. It adds like a natural kind of color and bronze to the face, like a natural contour almost. It's almost like putting down your contour before you put your foundation on. However, it doesn't, it's not super intense like that. So you probably still need to do a contour anyway. Let's lay down a little bit of powder here. I'll go ahead and just use this powder brush. We're just going to use some AirSpun here also. Alright, let's try this out a little bit. Alright, let's start with maybe the contour. You guys see that? Oh wow, that's really nice. I love that. What do you guys think? I'm gonna use a little bit of this Coverfx, just the finishing powder in it. It adds like an airbrushed, like almost sheen, this finishing powder. Like it looks kind of shimmery. I don't know if you guys can tell. It definitely looks shimmery, but it's not really. It's like a satin over your face. Okay, and here's the dangerous part. Some blush. Just do one. I feel like I always mess up my makeup when I go to do the blush. That's not bad. I just don't like it when it's like overbearing and just too much. All right, now let's use my brand new highlighter brush for the first time. Let's dig into this brightener here a little bit. Ooh, I'm gonna have to be careful with this because I really like it. So I'm gonna have to be careful that I don't use it too fast. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is my life. Woosah, Kayla. Woosah. Is it like getting cloudy? I feel like my lighting's majorly changing. It might be getting a little bit cloudy outside. All right, let's do eyebrows real quick and then get started on these eyeballs before Charlie wakes up.
My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world. I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause I know, baby, it's working.
All right. Good enough. Let's try some eyes here. All right, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Natural Eyes eyeshadow here. So I'm just gonna try a really basic look here. So I'm gonna start by just taking Push Up with a, you guys, I really don't know what I'm doing with all of these brushes, so I'm just gonna do my best. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Push Up here, and I'm just gonna put it all kind of right in here. Really pretty color. Just kind of all over my lid to start, and I'm just taking it down to my tear duct right here. And then you kind of want to just bring it to a point like right over here. So it makes kind of like a half moon shape just going across. Okay, so there's that. Just want to have it just go right across like that. And then the next color, I'm going to use this small brush here. I don't know what it's used for, but I'm going to use it because it I want to have precision. Or maybe I'll use a smoky brush. Yeah, let's use a smoky eye brush. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to take out here is Erotica. And then we're just gonna put that in our crease. And we're just gonna stop it just short of going down to the waterline there. I'm sorry, not the waterline. We're gonna stop it just short of going down to the tear duct. And this is almost even gonna make like an eyebrow shape on your eyes, because it's gonna be like to a point right here, but then it's gonna get kind of wider right here. Okay. Now let's blend that in good. The last color we're gonna do is just pop some Silk Teddy all up right, and then going just down like that, kind of going over the top of just everything. All the way up to my eyebrow there. I'm probably not using the correct brush for this, but oh well. How does that look? Good? No? Yes? No? That's not bad, right? Not bad. This is like literally my first time like trying this stuff even out. I've never put this eyeshadow on before. I just found it actually in my drawer. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye here just real quick, and then we'll move on to some eyeliner and mascara. I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this Meech and Mia. It's like caramel. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna put any on top today. I don't really know why. I just don't want to make it too intense, I guess. The eyes are already pretty intense. That was weird, my camera just stopped recording. Anyway, I'm using some of this Daisy Plus Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Oh, it smells so bad. It smells like dirty washer water. Like when you let your clothes sit too long in the washer. Legit, that's what it smells like. I'm gonna use a little bit thicker brush. Get a little bit more product on here. She likes to shine like the star she is. Okay. There's only one thing left to do. Max Fit Plus Prep Plus Prime. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah? Not so bad, not so bad. Alright guys, we are all done here. Gotta do something with my hair before I leave, but I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this was a little bit quieter than normal, except for the tornado drill. So if you're not familiar with tornado drills, you just heard one. So if you're somewhere like California that they don't do them, I don't know if they do them, but that's what they sound like, and they're super annoying. They do it every Wednesday too, during the spring and summer. No, but seriously, they are awesome if there's actually bad weather. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye!